Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at Lake Guntersville. We're going to be fishing the KBF Championship. It's been a year since I've been out here. We had a decent pre-fish. We didn't catch a ton of fish, but we did catch fish. It'll be interesting how the day turns out, but we're out here today. We're going to give it our all and hopefully have a good day. I hope you guys enjoy the video. There we go, we tricked one into biting. Got him on the shaky bait. It's a solid first fish for the morning. Come on, hook. Solid first fish. It's gotta be at least 17, I would think. Let's get a measurement on her. Flopping on me, son. Oh my gosh. Stop that. Stop that. Oh my gosh. I lost them. Alright guys, lost my fish. KBF's doing this new experiment. They're testing out this ball where you add in your photo and it's supposed to download the app and it'll show you the length and the girth and everything of the fish. And we're supposed to be experimenting adding this ball in our picture, and I was trying to add it to the picture and the bass jumped off the board. So they're winning 17.5. That's the best one I had since I've been here. I don't know how many more opportunities we're gonna get like that, but we're gonna try. Just how the day's going so far. Catfish. That's what I'm seeing down there. Oh my gosh. First fish, not a big one, but it's really our second fish because the first fish jumped back in the water. Apologize for the bad audio. It was really windy out. We got like 25-mile-an-hour winds today, so nice and windy. But first fish on going to the leaderboard if I don't screw it up. Let's see what we got. All right, there we go. Solid, healthy bass. 17.25, solid one. It looks like he might be onto something. Throwing this jerkbait around over top of this grass, and they've been on it. Solid ones. This one looks like it's almost probably got to be close to 17 as well. So we might be able to get a solid limit if we keep doing this. It's 12-11. Lines out at 3 today, so hopefully it's something we can use, and hopefully it's something we can improve on and continue to get them. All right, smaller than I thought, 15.5. It goes towards our limit though. Third fish. Well, we tricked another dummy into biting. That's probably about maybe 13 inches, and that's our 4th fish towards our limit. Kind of sucks that we lost that 17 incher this morning, but I'm just trying to compete, trying to stay in it, so at least I have something to fish for tomorrow. That's the plan. All right, 14.5. Okay, we got a limit. Not a huge limit, but 12.5 got us our 5 fish. It's 140. We have till 3, so we need to get rid of those 12 so we can have a good run at tomorrow. It ain't much of an improvement, but we got to get rid of those 12s. We got about 45 minutes left, a little less than 45 minutes left. So we got to get rid of these 12s. We got one more 12, and then we got to get rid of these little guys. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it, but we're going to try our best. 13 and a half. Okay, it looks like we're going to pull out that last 12 incher there. No, not a big hole, probably another one about 13 maybe. But we got to get those 12s off. Now we got to get 2 13s off. So we got 30 minutes left. Actually 25 minutes left, so we got to hurry up and get a picture of this guy. "14 inches.